subscribe to Android Discovery Channel, and press the bell icon to watch the interesting and exciting technology video first. Friends, welcome to our new fresh episode. In this video we talk about Birdwatch Matrix. It is a good option of mid-range smartwatch. It supports a 1.6-inch 2.5 curved AMOLED screen that supports always-on display. It features SpO2 blood oxygen monitoring, heart rate sensor, sleep mapping, and other health-related tracking features. Smartwatch offers smart activity tracking to record various things like calories burned, steps taken, and also total distance traveled. Birdwatch Matrix can offer up to 7 days of battery life on a single full charge. However, enabling always-on display cuts it down to just 2 days. Furthermore, Smartwatch also supports customizable watch faces along with notifications, call alerts, camera and music control and more. Watch Matrix arrives with 3 atom dust and water resistance rating as well. Birdwatch Matrix is priced at $54 and can be purchased in multiple color variants. It is available in black, blue and white color options. So friends, how did you like this watch? Do let us know by commenting in the comment box. And if you have come to our channel for the first time, then please subscribe our channel.